You can ask two questions also, no problem. Later, let us continue one by one. Quickly do that.
Man, who is your closest pal?
Uh, what is the meaning of closest pal? I,
Best
I just
Your
forget
best
it.
friend.
best friend.
Your best friend.
Okay. My closest pal is my friend Shivan Sharma.
Your closest pal.
Shivan Sharma. My closest pal is Shivan
What?
Sharma.
Yeah, hi Akmal, this is Akash.
Hmm.
Yeah, gosh.
Uh, Yeah, hello. Are you interested in music?
Yeah, I'm really interested in music, and my favorite singer is Atif Aslam.
Okay. So, which song is
Which song do you
favorite?
like of Atif Aslam?
Okay, so my favorite song, which I like from Atif Aslam, is Duri.
Can you sing this song for us?
No, not right now, because I'm not in that kind of condition.
Okay, no
Okay.
issue.
Yeah.
Next, Gayatri, Ritu, Rashmi. Keep asking. Any, choose one and do that. Ask it.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Hello, Akmal.
Yes, Wasim. Audible to
I'm
you,
audible.
Wasim?
Uh,
Yes,
are
yes,
you a
you are.
couch potato?
What? Can you repeat one more time?
I'm asking with you. Are you a couch potato?
Yes, yes, I am.
Akmal, where are you from?
I'm live in Bhopal right now, and my native place is also Bhopal.
Okay, so are you well acquainted with Bhopal?
Yes, very well.
Okay,
Well,
so
are you well
what
acquainted with?
what is
Hello.
worth watching in Bhopal?
There is lots of place which you are visiting, like lakes. There is a three lakes, and more about like there is a national park, and many more things are there.
So, what is the specialty of that lake that's situated in Bhopal?
There is a question. There is
The
a question. You can ask what's famous? What's famous and why your hometown is famous for? Why your hometown
Okay,
is famous for? Yes.
uh, why your hometown is famous for?
okay, so my hometown is famous for hospitality because there is a lots of people who are like belong in Bhopal in the old ages who are like really interested to giving services in hospitality to the others who are visiting in Bhopal.
And what
Okay,
is the famous dish of Bhopal?
No, there is no famous dish. There is only we can say drink only tea. Tea is very famous in Bhopal.
From where do you drink a tea?
Mm,
Okay, so there is a lots of place where I can where we can go and like take a
Which is the
tea
famous shop
like
of tea in Bhopal?
RTS Raju Tea Stall.
Raju Tea Stalls. Akmal, you know me?
No.
Akmal, you know me?
Do you know me? There is a question. Do you know
Akmal,
me?
do you know me?
No, Asim, I don't know. Who are you?
No, Akmal is my friend. We both are working in
Uh,
the same organization.
And that's why you are asking, do you know me? You know that he will say, no, I don't know you. Very funny.
Yes, Akmal?
It happens. It happens.
yes, we are working in the
It
same
only
organization.
happens. It only happens when you know each other. Then only the question comes, do you know me? Like this. I know this. Carry on, guys. Okay. Clap for Akmal. Clap quickly because now we are going to have another person. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It is sort of
Thank you, ma'am.
rapid fire so that you will get chance to ask and to answer. Okay. Now we have a new girl in the class, Shivani. Shivani, would you like to come in the mic, beta? They will ask introduction related question to you. Will you come in the mic?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice, good girl. Okay, guys. So Shivani is new in the class, as we can see. So now we have opportunity to ask Shivani regarding Shivani's full name. As you can see, full name also, you can ask about her education, her family background. Then you can ask questions also, right? So let's begin with the first points. Come on, guys, start asking one by one. You are free to ask more than two questions also. Gayatri and Rashmi, Ritu, you also take participation. Why only boys
Yes.
get also be active? Okay, let's begin. Come on.
Yes. Hi, Shivani. How are you? I'm fine.
What's your full name?
My full name is Shafani Patel.
Okay. What is the meaning of your name?
My name meaning is how can I explain it? Sorry.
Okay.
So Shivani, maybe
What's your
Shivani,
yeah?
Shivani, huh?
Sorry, ma'am.
Shiv ki Vani could be Shivani. What do you say? Maybe na. Okay. You
Maybe.
you get to know the meaning and tell tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next questions.
I will
Keep
tell.
asking. Okay.
What's your father name, Shivan?
Fathers.
My f-
Father's name?
my my father's name is Mr. Ramkala Patel.
Okay. What kind of person he is? Is he? Sorry. What kind of person is he?
मैम इसका आंसर कैसे कर सकती हूँ मैं?
बेटा आपको बताना है आपके पापा कैसे हैं. उनका नेचर बता सकते हो. स्ट्रिक्ट हैं,
Oh, ma'am.
सॉफ्ट
Wait
हार्टेड
a
हैं.
minute.
Some
मैम मेरे
qualities.
पापा नहीं है.
Acha. Sorry. So you should say
Sorry.
that my father is no more.
Okay.
Sorry.
No problem.
Ask about mother, Gayatri.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your mother name and
What kind
My
of
mother name
what
is
kind
Miss
of
Sarash.
person is she?
Okay, my mother name is Saraswati Patel. She is a working woman and she is a very, very, very talented in our work and in a family part. She is a very kind of heart.
kind-hearted?
Yes, ma'am. Kind hearted. Sorry.
Okay.
Why boys are not asking? We don't have any rule that girls will ask girls and boys will ask boys only. I have never made this rule. Keep asking. You are supposed to ask. We are into co-ed education. This is
Hi
co-education.
Shivani.
Hmm.
Hi Shivani, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also good. How many siblings are you?
I have an elder sister.
You are two siblings, including you.
Yes, including me.
How many members are there in your family?
Uh, 5 members in and then my family, my grandparents.
There are 5 members.
There are 5 members in my family, my grandparents, and my mother and an elder sister.
Are you working or studying?
I'm working.
In
You're
which
working.
Yes, ma'am,
company?
I'm working.
Well,
In an Axis Bank as an relationship manager.
Okay.
Are in camera you were looking so chotu bachcha, huh? And you're working.
Where
Very
are you
nice.
from?
I'm from Mandla, but currently I am living Bhopal.
Where do you live in Bhopal?
I'm living in Katara Hills, Saharpur.
And where is your bank? It's in MP Nagar. Where is your bank?
Ma'am, MP Nagar, Zone 1, nearby Bisal Mega Mart.
Okay.
Is there any opening in your bank?
Sorry?
Is there any opening in your bank?
Is there any vacancy
Ma'am,
in your bank? He's asking.
uh, अभी तो
Right now we don't have.
yes, right now we don't have. If मैम कैसे ट्रांसलेट कर सकती हूँ
If
अगर कोई
if
वैकेंसी
there
हुई
is,
तो आई विल
if there is, I will inform you. If
if
there
there
is
is I will
vacancy,
inform you.
I will inform you.
Okay, let me.
Asim, are you looking for job?
No, look, I'm not looking for job. Just asking for my colleague.
Okay, okay.
I'm
He
working
has
What is
opened.
as
your
a I'm
I think.
working as a HR executive in Extranet Private
Hmm.
Technology.
Oh, so he's using all his contacts here only. See, clever.
Yes.
Now I'm asking for my colleague. He's searching a job
Okay.
are you from
in bank.
Bhopal?
Yes, I am from Bhopal.
In which area?
I'm located in Budhwara.
Butwara.
It's old city.
Okay.
Old city,
Oh,
front of Lower Lake.
Do you know Bhopal, Shivani? How long have you been in Bhopal?
मैम ओनली 3 years बट अभी अभी मैंने घूमना फिरना चालू किया है बिकॉज 2021 से लेके 2023 तक मैं एमपी नगर पे ही कोचिंग करती थी.
हाँ, अच्छा.
यस मैम.
2021 से लेके 2000. Okay.
23
You're
तक.
basically from?
Okay.
आई एम बेसिकली फ्रॉम मंडला डिस्ट्रिक्ट. यस.
Okay.
Are you tenant?
नो.
Do you have your own house?
अब नॉट माय ओवन हाउस विथ आई एम लिविंग विथ माय कजन्स.
So, is that room is rental?
नो मैम.
Okay, own.
ओवन प्रॉपर्टी.
Okay,
यस.
good.
And what about your
आर
hobbies?
यू टेंटेड?
Yes, I am tented.
Not rented,
Okay.
tenant. Tenant.
Tented, ma'am, tented. Tenant.
Tented.
Tenant.
10.
Talent. Okay.
Shivani, in which
You're
bank you are working
basically
right now?
from?
I'm basically from Burhanpur,
Where is?
border of MP and Maharashtra.
Oh, nice.
Akmal was asking something.
Okay.
Yes, Akmal.
I'm just asking, Shivani, in which bank you are working right now?
Axis Bank. As an intern?
How long have you been working in Axis Bank?
Uh,
Is this your new job, first job? Are you a fresher?
no, this is not my first job, but in a banking sector, I am a fresher. इससे पहले मैं ट्रेनर थी पीपल ट्री फाउंडेशन भोपाल कोलार पर
And what?
स्किल इंडिया प्रोग्राम कस्टमर केयर एग्जीक्यूटिव विद पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट एंड आईटी ट्रेनर
Okay.
Have you completed your education?
I have done my graduation. Currently, I am pursuing MBA first semester uh,
In which
from
stream?
GGI College.
In which stream?
This is my first semester,
Okay.
but in future, I select banking and HR.
Okay.
So you are working there as an intern, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You are doing internship of 60 days. Paid or non-paid? It's a paid intern or non-paid internship.
This is paddable.
Okay.
Yes.
Many companies are providing non-paid internships also. That's why I'm asking.
Okay.
Okay. Very good. Clap for her. She's a new classmate of yours, batchmate. Very confidently she answered. Shivani, as you are new beta in the class, I would like to suggest you some things. Start listening to
Yes,
English,
ma'am.
simple English. You start listening, right? It will
Okay, ma'am.
help you to develop your fluency and your good pronunciation. ये already हम लोग क्लास में
Okay.
वैसे डिस्कस कर चुके हैं और क्लास में
Okay,
लिंक्स
ma'am.
भी हैं. I'll share those links of old classes. You can watch them. Day 1 से हम लोग
Okay, ma'am.
share किया हुआ है. And we have all the classes. I'll
Okay.
share in one particular time. आपको share कर दूंगी so that you can watch them. क्या आपका रह गया है और notes वगैरह भी will share with you. Okay. So जो भी आपका हो
Okay, ma'am.
चुका होगा वैसे अभी हम लोग सिंपल बेसिक पे ही चल रहे हैं. इसमें हम लोगों ने इंट्रोडक्शन किया हुआ है. This is second questionnaire by the way. We have done yesterday only we have done very nice conversation. There was conversation related to spontaneous speaking. कुछ words का use करके spontaneously बातचीत करनी है, right? Guys, what I found is some students are not taking participation. If you are not taking participation, you are again and again wasting your time, right? अगर सच में you are busy, I know I have no issue. I will consider it. But if you guys are thinking क्या पूछूं क्या नहीं पूछूं this that, my suggestion is don't do that. Okay, you should be active listener, active speaker. This activeness will help you. Otherwise तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं हुआ ना फिर सीखने का, है ना? और मौका मिलता है तो सभी लोग जितना ज्यादा चीजों को पूछ सकते हैं उतना अच्छा है ना. Asking question is a good habit, right? Answering is also a wonderful habit. It develops your internal confidence. जो वीक है ना, जिस चीज की कमी हो रही है, सही है कि गलत है, उस कंफ्यूजन में अगर कम्युनिकेशन वीक हो रहा है, देन यू शुड कम ओवरकम दैट. अगर गलत भी बोल दिया, डोंट वरी, आई विल करेक्ट यू. बट आप बोलोगे नहीं तो मुझे पता ही नहीं चलेगा ना व्हाट इज रॉन्ग, व्हाट इज राइट. यू विल ऑल्सो नॉट टू, यू विल नेवर बी नोइंग इट. तो क्या करना है, बोलना है. अगर लग रहा है कि मैम वो मुझे दिख नहीं रहा, से मैम कैन यू इंक्रीज द साइज. It is your right to say that I need a comfortable visibility. ये बोलना भी तो आना चाहिए, ये बोलना ही तो कम्युनिकेशन है. Why to hide yourself? Okay. Now, tomorrow, this round will be continued. But this time, I will not show my screen. I want you guys to learn it, read it, understand it, learn the words. Tomorrow, you guys are going to ask these questions to the students who have not performed today. Let me tell, it could be Asim, Gayatri, Akash. If Rashmi and Ritu are comfortable, they can also be the part of it. I have no problem. ठीक है. तो कल रैपिड फायर है करण जौहर की तरह, but this rapid fire is very sober, nice and full of confidence. क्या करना है, रीड करना है. रीड एंड कम. कौन सा वाला, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन आया, सेकेंड पेज. फर्स्ट यू ऑलरेडी नो. I don't want you to ask first. I don't want you to repeat the same questions. What's your father's name and this, that, blah, blah, blah. No, I want you to use the new words to ask questions. I want to see one student should be asking at least 5 questions to the person. Right? 5 questions one time. And nobody will repeat. Nobody will repeat the same question again and again. You have used 5 questions with somebody. Now you use some other 5 questions with someone. Don't worry, Rashmi. I will give chance one more time tomorrow to ask question to Shivani. Okay? Don't worry. Today it was just trial sort of, right? And you even tried also. कितने सारे क्वेश्चन थे ना, जैसे उसने बोला कैन यू सिंग, आकाश वांटेड टू आस्क कैन यू सिंग, सो उसने बोला नो आई कांट सिंग. आर यू गुड एट सिंगिंग? नो नो, आई एम नॉट गुड एट सिंगिंग. फिनिश इट. ट्राई टू आस्क मोर क्वेश्चंस ना. द वेज आर ऑलरेडी गिवन. Connective questions always give you idea. Okay, ऐसा भी पूछ सकते हैं. Very nice. Now, next time you will remember it. So, practice this second page. Come tomorrow. And tomorrow there will be rapid fire. That means full of fluency. और जो आंसर देने वाले हैं तो सभी आंसर देंगे, सभी क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले हैं one by one and everybody will be answering. तो पढ़ते पढ़ते अपने क्वेश्चंस के आंसर भी तैयार कर लेना. जैसे are you sincere? Yes, I am. Are you sincere in studies? Yes, I like studies. What was your percentage last year? Or in your 12th class? My percentage were 81. Okay, are you faithful to your friends? Yes, I never lie to my friends. Are you a couch potato? No, I'm not a couch potato. I don't watch movies, TV too much. Are you a cineast? Yes, I am. What is your favorite movie? Connective questions. Keep the connections between one question to the other. Then it will look more, more practical than the theoretical. मैंने question दे दिया, आपने see clear हो गया. ठीक है? So, see you tomorrow. Bye. Take care. Good night. And come
Bye. Good night, ma'am.
tomorrow I will not say कि इसको बोलना है, उसको बोलना है, वो पूछेगा. No, you will do by yourself. Okay? Bye, guys. Thank you so much. Good night. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you. I'm sharing this file again because Shivani has recently joined. Did you join today only, beta, or yesterday?
Ma'am, yesterday.
So you got the sheet now?
Yes, ma'am. I got.
Very good. Very nice. So all of you read and come to me. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Take care, ma'am. Good night.